Hi everyone, Mr. Shorn. I want to go over how you can look at area word problems that have fractions in them. So take it slow, take it easy, and let's say you had a problem like this, and the problem's got a fraction. Jeremy was planning to install carpet in his bedroom. He remembers the room is 8.5 feet long. The area is 68 square feet. How wide is Jeremy's room? Okay. So what you might be doing is getting scared because it's got a fraction. Here's what you do. Figure out what you already know. Figure out and remember that the area of a rectangle, like Jeremy's room probably is, the area is the length multiplied by the width. Draw a diagram. Anytime you have a problem that sounds geometric, draw a diagram. So draw a diagram. It's 8.5 feet long, comes from the problem. The area, the inside of it, is 68 feet squared. Squared feet, feet to the second power, same thing. We don't know how many feet wide it is. They ask you for that. Okay. Now, I don't know what to do. What we're going to do is do an easier problem first. Let's say that it's not 8.5 and 68. Let's say that the area is 20 feet. It's 10 feet long. So you're going to have to figure out that 10 feet times something is equal to 20. Well, that's pretty easy. You can figure out the same thing. Now, just look at what we're going to do with this equation. I'm going to fill in the stuff, but I'm going to manipulate it. So 20 feet equals 10 feet times the width. But if I take 20 feet divided by 10 feet, I'm going to get the width. Well, you knew it was 2 feet. But look how we do that mathematically. So we can divide it by the 10 feet, the 20 feet by the 10 feet, and we get 2. No surprise. So when we have the original problem, you go back, do the same thing. You've got your diagram. It does have fractions in it. 68 square feet is equal to 8.5 feet times something. All right. If you divide it, the 68 feet squared by the 8.5 feet, you're going to get the width. Same process with a simpler problem. Use a simpler problem to make sense of it. Go through what you're going to do with dividing. So it's 68, make it into an improper fraction, divided by 8.5. All right, make it into an improper fraction, 17.5. 17 divided by 2. Now multiply by the reciprocal. Multiply by 2 17ths. You get 136 divided by 17. Go divide. Whole number is 8. 8, and that's 8 feet. I'll move the label over here, and that's it. So use a simpler problem to make sense of a more challenging problem. And that's it.